Learning Japanese can be a rewarding experience, whether you're interested in the culture, history, or pop culture like anime and manga. With over 125 million speakers, Japanese offers a unique linguistic challenge that is both exciting and enriching. The Japanese writing system's Japanese uses three writing systems: Hiragana, Hiragana Shokakori Kuron, a phonetic alphabet for native Japanese words; Katakana, Katakana Shokakori Kuron, another phonetic alphabet, mainly for foreign words; Kanji, Hanzi, characters borrowed from Chinese, representing words or concepts. Basic grammar Japanese typically follows a subject-object-verb (SOV) structure, unlike English's subject-verb-object (SVO). Particles, small words that follow nouns or verbs, indicate their function in a sentence. Verb conjugation in Japanese is straightforward and doesn't change based on the subject. Pronunciation and politeness Japanese pronunciation is simple for English speakers, though mastering the pitch accent is key. Politeness, or kigo, jingyu, plays a crucial role, with different levels of formality depending on the context. Tips for beginners: learn hiragana and katakana. These are foundational for reading and writing. Immerse yourself. Engage with Japanese media and practice regularly. Use resources. Language apps and online courses can aid your learning. Conclusion: learning Japanese may seem challenging, but with consistent practice, you'll steadily progress. Embrace the journey and enjoy discovering the beauty of the Japanese language and culture. Happy learning!